Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to use noise reduction in Adobe Lightroom. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos. And Adobe Lightroom will take you to its library, where you can add and edit any photo that you like. Now, tap on the photo that you'd like to edit, and here you will see many options on the bottom menu. Simply slide through this until you see Details. Tap on that and scroll down. And here you will see Noise Reduction and Color Noise Reduction. And here's a quick tip. If you want to increase your noise reduction by a small amount, you can simply tap on the right side to increase your noise reduction by 1% and left side to decrease it by 1%. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.